Bawal ang masasaya.
Oh my God, nag-mature ka na ba? O naglahi lang imuhang
Yeah, baka
perspective sa
naglay lang
life?
perspective because pwede energy ka ng chill lang.
Chill lang
Like,
siya.
kanang di lang tapi ng showtime.
Okay, sige.
Because okay lang. Unless gusto ka mag-vice ganda, okay lang.
Okay lang po, sige.
For now, kanang di ko sure why I'm feeling this way.
Sige. Is it because of the topic?
No, because of how we have evolved as
Welcome
a person.
to the Inner Show with Babs and Jessie. So, ang gusto ni Jessie, Boga, yung nila ang energy ka ng chill lang daw, dili kayo, pina-showtime. So, sige.
Yes.
Pinaitbulaga na lang, pang tigulang.
Because
Ang
I really
energy.
like our location for today.
As in,
Very calm.
Yes, I know.
And serene.
And, dili tagi restrict sa to ang
Absolutely.
wala tagi-restrict sa guard. So thank you. We are at the Greenhouse Cinemas in Anda, Davao City. Thank you Bagani, Fiola and Malona for making for allowing us to use your garden.
Yeah.
I love it. Can you show the garden?
Here it is.
And the bicycle. Ay,
Yes.
dapat ibaba og energy.
Oo, mamaya tataas yan, tapos bababa ulit.
Okay, welcome to the Inner
Yes,
Show.
welcome. A little something about Greenhouse. Diba?
Yes.
They're an alternative of space that
Mm-mm.
promotes local cinema and lots of storytelling experiences.
Yes. Yeah.
So if you're in Davao, you can totally drop by and check out their social media, Greenhouse.
Yes. They are usually showing films and screenings. So, para siyang, tawag gani pop-up cinema ba?
Yeah, parang ganon. Independent cinema. So instead of going to like your traditional movie house, you have a community space.
Yes. And nice na lugar. Very homey. Very
Homey,
garden.
right.
Para ka matulog dinhi, magbutang og duyan.
I love that.
Pausok para sa mangga with all the lamok.
Correct.
Okay.
You can come here with your friends, with your uyab, or you can come alone.
Yes.
As a single.
As a single person, oh my God. Lain po nang mag-adto kag kung anong movie house na single. Have you done that?
Oh, always. A lot of times in the past.
Ako po.
So, wala yung kaglain.
Wala lang. Kaya nga itong topic is all about single blessedness.
Yeah, I love it.
Dili bitaw.
Pero, mura siya ka ng kuan, ka nang nata sa church, single blessedness.
Pero, nating kuan ka, nakapangutana ka nga nung daghag mga bayot, mahadlok maging single.
Wala. But I just noticed it in the community na nadyo yung mga bayot nga murag mamatay kung may uyab.
As in, so what they do is just go around town dating people bisag dili ka nila trip, no?
Yeah, it kind of reminds me of one of the characters in your film.
Yeah. Na nag-screen diri sa Greenhouse last week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, in Bebs' film, I Love You, Thank You, there's a character there named
Red.
So, si Red, grabe, lamiun siya, pogi siya, pero kanang obsessed ka siya sa iyang uyab.
Yes.
Tapos, sayo.
Kuan siya serial dater siya.
Yeah,
because
that's the
he is afraid of being single.
Right.
Pero tinuod ng observation ni mo, Bogs, na hadlok ang mga bayot na mahimong single compared sa mga straight.
Hindi mo siguro siya ka ng sweeping generalization. Pero I guess there are really some people who prefer having the company of someone. And this is based on their need to be constantly validated, na may kasama. And ayaw lang talaga nila maging alone because they feel too self-conscious in a way na they feel like other people are looking at them.
What do you mean looking at them?
Like, I don't know, it's so weird because I just noticed this habit. It never crossed my mind until other people brought it up in conversation na parang some people pala are really uncomfortable eating alone, going to the movies alone because feel nila they're being watched. Nako-conscious sila.
Yes. Or going to the gym alone because they think that people are looking at them, no?
Yeah. So, ganun sila ka-conscious and to an extreme, ganun din sila ka-conceited na they feel like silang center of the world.
Dili. Parang ako before, I used to feel like that. Na feeling na ako, pag maadto ko, mukhaon ko alone, feeling na ako ginatnanaw ko or ginalibak ko. And not because I am a narcissist, but because feeling na ako na ako'y conscious shyness or
Right.
embarrassment for being alone.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that was before, like before pa. Pero I'm not sure if it is connected to the to the longing na dapat dili ko single para dili ko tan-awon. So pag duha mi ka buok, it's parang ang attention sa mga tao dili siya mo kuan sa kuha.
Sa imo lang.
Oo.
Okay.
Well, what do you think?
Well, that makes sense. It could be that those are entirely two different things, no? Like being alone and kanang being self-conscious and being a narcissist and just being alone because shy ka lang. So ako naman I only take a look at the situation from an outsider's point of view because ako kasi yung alone permi.
Same.
So I am always used to doing things on my own and
correct.
to the point that that habit is very normal na to me that I eat alone and iniiwan ko yung mga friends ko minsan. If I'm super hungry, I just vanish because I need to eat. And I don't.
So wala kay longing na kanang
Ubani ko,
pwede ka mabuhi
yeah,
na
yeah, yeah.
oo.
There's a sense of independence, but
Subot pa sabot dili day ni off topic na lang di ay ni wala tay topic. I-change wala na stop na ni
stop na. Okay,
conversation.
thank you for that.
Pero min na lang taani.
Correct. No, but it makes sense man po to ask each other about this because lain-lain mo po yung motivation o itong mga experiences with being alone. For example, sa kuha, it is out of the situation because that's what the situation calls for. Na kanang alone lang ko. Okay, I'm just gonna keep doing what I do. For others, it's a choice na they want to be alone, they don't want to be bothered. And then others, they are alone because iniwan sila or parang may mga ganong different
or naanad na lang ka na maging alone so parang having someone with you as a pair doing a thing together parang it's kind of foreign and new.
Right,
so it's not ako pod same pod bogs na parang wala akong fear na mahimong single because I've been single for the longest time na.
So competition pala to, Olympics
ay,
ng
dapat lang
single.
ako ang mas kuan sa imuha, mas single
hindi,
sa
ako talaga pa-winner.
Mas single ko sa imuha.
No, NBSB.
So, mas single ko sa imuha, yes, NBSB ka. Correct. Pero ako, parang, I don't have the longing and dili ko, well, okay, niagi ko sa face na hadlok ko na single for the longest time.
Right.
Pero I was forced by circumstances tungod kay walay nanguyab sa kuha. So na-force ko na i-embrace ang akong single.
Meron yun siyang keks before.
Pero dili manggod ko lapiton.
Otik. Alam nyo, my boyfriend si Bebs before, pogi ito niya, cute pa jud.
Putot lang.
Gago. Tapos to, funny man, I remember na kumain tayo sa the outdoor place in sa tabi ng
Cubao?
Yeah, no.
Sa Cubao ba?
No, kasi ba there's this space at sa Shang and then natin may outdoor space.
Greenfield. Yes. Yeah, oh yes. Yeah. I remember now.
I remember like I did something nasty there kasi I was chewing on something and then it was so nasty. I just
yuck. Damak. Ako, well, before that also, that was like years na, no? Before po that na nakauyab po ko, it was years po before ko nakauyab. So, I was more like, I spent my whole life, mas taas ang percentage ako, ako lang mag-isa. So, I got used to being single. So, when that guy came along, parang I was not used to having someone.
Right.
So, for me, mas how do ko mahimong single because I'm not afraid of being single. Pero niagi ko sa face na I was afraid of being single because una, feeling na ako dili ko dateable, kaduha, dili ko relationshipable, wag ana akong feeling. So, dito nag-revolve ang self-confidence of having someone. So, I think matubag po na nga question na nga nung hadlok ang mga bayot na mahimong single. Probably because dito nila gi-base ang ilahang validation na imong gisulti tama ka, ilang
Right.
self-confidence
Correct.
na pag dili ka uyab, kung dili ka uyabable, buot pasabot, mubaba mo ang self-confidence because nobody likes you.
Hala ka
So
no.
pag single
Di
ka,
lang ko ito personal. Sorry ha.
ingon na yung mga feeling.
In the past, when I was like very immature pa about it.
Oh yeah, before like 2 years ago.
No, like siguro university days.
Na.
Parang I keep noticing why do other people have someone with them? But now I'm like super independent na in the sense na most of the time that I spend doing things kay nasanay na ako na it's just me because I get to think better, I have like more headspace. But sometimes, syempre, of course, you have that really longing to be with someone, and then I express that and I engage with that feeling when I hang out with my friends. So parang it's important for us to remember that being alone doesn't mean you're lonely. Char. But totoo.
Depende sa perspective.
Right.
Kaya syempre mo agi man jud ka sa pinaka-first na phase na being alone means being lonely.
Right.
And then after that,
you grow out of it.
Grow up na ka, you grow out of it. Pero Bogs, why do you think most bayots are afraid of being single? Is it because before kan abtan man nato ang no social media, di ba? Is it because gimarket siya sa straight marketing na kailangan nakadepende sa relationship or having someone with you, or even karon di ba na base ang having someone with you as a measurability of happiness and contentment in life, na dapat na kay family, you're loving someone, and then pag in the advent of social media, niabot na ang mga couples na naga-flex sa ilang relationship on social media. So does it come with that?
Yeah, feel ko there's that na it become your kumbaga human experience is measured by how far you've gone in life and how settled you are with someone.
Yes.
There's that standard that many of us have to grapple with. But
wow, grapple.
Grapple, strong word. Tapos over time, we learn naman pala na parang we can work things out at our own pace, na so you start out with the idea na being alone means being lonely, eventually na parang okay lang man day ko, and then eventually you become more stable emotionally and you become surprised na lang that someone comes your way. May mga ganon.
Correct. Kanang wala na nimo ginapangita na parang you have already embraced your single the bliss of single blessedness. Pero Bogs, back to my question, is it because of the idea that was instilled to us na dapat ang happiness ug ang validation ug ang confidence nato should depend on having a relationship, or ang atong confidence based on someone na someone likes me, someone loves me, so parang uyababol ko, so I am confident. So is it because of that maong ang ubang mga bayot hadlok na mahimong single?
Yeah, definitely, because being with someone kanang feeds their ego.
Correct.
Diba? Na kanang murag it validates them in a sense na konti ko lang imday ko. Kana na good.
Actually, ang akong pinaka-first na giuyab lang na ako para lang makauyab ko.
That's so funny. Pero I'll build onto that. Let's keep piling up on that. I had an almost boyfriend back then, and I almost said yes in a sense na sabi kasi niya, pogi daw kay ko, muna ko ex niya. I didn't know it back then that that's a red flag, but see, diba, napili ka because
you reminded him of someone.
You reminded him of someone, or for the sake lang na meron. That's crazy.
Na nakatawag, wait lang.
Okay. Oh no, who's calling?
Shopee. Wait.
Sige, bayaran mo muna yan.
Hello?
So, Wild Babs.
Pakuan lang, pabili lang din sa balay. 23.
So, Wild Babs is
sa second block.
Picking up.
Kapit sa
coordinating pickup.
So, mato siya na ay Shopee delivery. Pakinggan natin yung conversation niya Blue
with the
na
Shopee
gate.
person. Sino hanapin ko dito, sir?
Patag na lang sa akong mama.
Ano si pangalan si mama?
Sige, salamat.
Okay. Sige, sir. Drop off na lang na ako. Char. Love it. What did you buy?
Nagpalit ko og Infinix GT Pro.
I love it.
Gaming phone.
Really?
Tapos.
So, ayan. It has something to do with ego and the validation. And it's so weird because based on the people aking ma-observe lang, not being too the judgmental, but it's just me taking notes about like people, characteristics, behavior, and all of that. Is yung mga naghahanap ng validation, sila pa yung mga pinaka-pogi na.
Correct.
Why? Sila pa yung mga serial dater na you already know that you're good looking.
Yes.
And why do you have to parang keep
Borta.
why do you have to keep on like looking for someone to validate you? So I guess there's like this really big need for them to be validated. But that's just an observation. And I'm sure like they must be going through parang different hardships internally for them to desire for that kind of amount of validation.
I think dapat mag-invite og someone na
perfect.
Alpha male.
Correct,
na perfect.
No? ng Frederick.
Yes.
No?
Katulad ni Red
Ni
sa
Red.
I Love You, Thank You.
Frederick yung name, diba?
Frederick, yes. Frederick.
So dapat mag-invite tayo ng Borta na
perfect
and serial dater para
yes.
i-hot seat natin siya. So bakit ka ba needy?
Pero na po yung mga pangit po na serial dater, no?
You know what? You know what surprised me the most?
Surprise!
Surprise! Hindi naman sa pangit, pero yung mga people that we don't
usually
identify as like good looking, sila pa yung mga sobrang secure sa kanilang self, and sila pa yung mga madaming dates na hindi sila actively seeking, mas sila yung hinahabol. And I really like that in a sense na it is really disruptive in the way we perceive relationships and beauty.
Basig kuan ilahang confidence is making up for it, or parang ang confidence nila is very attractive for people who are needy.
Right? Or they have lots of money, or dak sila.
Uy, ako'y nakuan ba? Kabalo ko ng superstition na attractive daw ang mga lalaki na naialom sa oats.
Really? Why?
Pag nakaialom sa ulok.
As in the head?
Oh.
Alum as in like a black lang stain or a black mole talaga?
Dili po nang alum nga kuan. Uy, alum nga buhi. Dili po na.
Okay, clarify na ako kasi alum can be like just a stain, a dot na stain, or like an actual mold.
Kanang mold nga na ay kuan, nga mutubo nga burot nga na ay balahibo.
Yeah, I think.
Uy, wala daw yung okay. Sa kuan.
So like parang kuan lang, birthmark na ganon.
Alum siya, naglingin nga kuan.
Okay, so what does that have to do
Ikaw na kayo nana.
So what does that have to do with our
superstition?
I love it.
Siya. Una, gwapo daw, kanang lapiton daw sa mga basta lapiton daw katong mga lalaki nga naialom sa oats. Tanaw daw sa imo.
I don't know what the scientific basis of that is really, but
superstition gani.
But there's some wisdom in that kasi nabasa ko somewhere that we are normally attracted daw we like when I say we like babae lalaki, we are all attracted to men who have symmetrical na features, malaking ilong, because that signifies
perfect beauty.
Well, hindi naman, parang it signifies some kind of strength, and also kanang murag ducks daw yan sila.
Parang okay. Dili nga akong kuan pod, akong nadunggan pod, ducks daw ang isa ka lalaki pag dako og Adam sa apple.
Really?
Og kanang dako og tudlo. Sa thumb. So pag nakoy bago na meet,
tanaw mo lang mo first na tanaw.
Thumb.
Well, congratulations.
But anyway,
ako I most of my kind of assessment sa mga ganun is intuitive. Although
intuitive. I mean, what is the connection?
I just use my intuition ba na ducks ganun siya. Ganon. Pero napakoy three bases, either malaki ang build, tapos like kanang symmetrical ang face, or na siya certain
aura.
Dick energy aura.
BDE.
That's from my intuition.
Okay. Labaw na pag-twink.
dili na kung twink mo generally mga about 70% of the time box na so lang.
Correct.
So let's go to a Twinktopia event na lang tonight.
Asa? So anyway, aside from building confidence or basing your confidence on having a partner or having a partner na hindi necessarily love nimo.
Mhm.
So parang, do you think na ay confusion between loving someone or just needing a partner because I am afraid to be single?
Yeah, that's really important parang thing to distinguish, no? Especially for you. Like personally, that's not for other
correct.
people to say. It's for
Correct.
you to decide
Ah.
on. Kasi how your decision to that will impact your well-being in a sense na ba't ka pa sumabak ng relasyon na for the sake lang pala, di ba?
Or for the sake na namangguuban na makipag-date or makipag-relationship para filler for someone better to come around.
Oh, I have not reached that point in my life yet.
Uy,
Parang
balik sa ta dito sa katong
advanced settings na yan ng
yes.
buhay.
Pero balik sa katong storya nimo na ay na kung asam nagkagusto sa imuha na na because you reminded him of his ex.
Well, di man jud minawiya ba to. I think we just had like a brief encounter. Tas what he told me was that kamukha ko daw ex niya. Ako naman, napaisip ko, wow, pogi pala ako.
Kailan din kasi ang ex di ay?
I don't know then. Na parang that they would it's weird that they would associate me with their ex. So their ex must probably be really compelling.
So, unsang aspect nga nag-remind ka sa iyang ex?
He never
Sa
specified.
nawong,
Never specified,
sa
but
kadaks nimo,
I think
sa alom.
I think sa kwan yun siya, sa face yun. Because he said kanawong, you remind me of ex kanawong. Parang he used the word kanawong. So it probably had something to do with like my physical appearance.
Kaya pwede bang good sa the way he was treated?
Correct. Or pati po sa school of thought point of view.
Point of view, sa independence, sa
Right.
confidence, or sa favorites, sa hobbies
Right.
nimo, or sa experiences, or
Sex
the
experience.
way you made him feel,
It was a very long time ago. It's a distant memory. Like I vaguely remember his face now.
So, unsay mong na-feel ato? Did you feel confident?
I
na parang,
felt a sense of relief na parang, okay, may pag-asa pala ako.
no feeling ni mo na ay nakagusto sa imo.
Na parang, I thought like I'm a stick.
Feeling ni mo cactus ka nung
na parang nobody wants me. So parang I was very immature. I was very young and immature back then. College ata yan. So parang I really didn't know what was happening. I was sumabay-sabay na lang ako. Eventually, weird man to siya. Kay.
Ano man?
I think I remember him to be really good looking, but he has a lot of issues na parang he was parang staying in with a special friend or a friend, and now he was kicked out, and now he was texting me na parang I have nowhere to go. So parang siguro kanang inviting me to express some pity on him na dito ka na lang magstay sa apartment, parang ganun. But
so feeling ni mo maputo ang dahilan nga gusto ka niya uyabon?
Yeah, maybe because he wanted to a place to stay. Tapos ako naman parang I don't think I can do that. I'm not ready for that yet. So it never happened, and he just vanished eventually. So I was back to
but
being
pasabot, kanang lang ka sa iyahang ex because kailangan niya og place to stay.
Yeah. So I was back to doing like things on my own, and then I was fine again eventually. May mga moments pa rin na naghahanap ng kasama, but I don't feel like I'm gonna die if I'm alone.
Okay. After that thing did not prosper, kasi mong na-feel na parang, shucks, baba na po akong confidence because this relationship did not prosper?
Mura na ako yung na moment na kanang I kept seeing my friends na parang we hang out together and they're all in partners and I'm not. Na parang my heart feels heavy, and at the same time, I was really hoping pa rin that someday this group of friends that I will be hanging out with we will all be hanging out with a partner.
With the partners.
I was so immature back then. I looking back, nakornihan ko na I would think that way. And if siguro I had a chance to speak with my younger self, I would really comfort myself and tell me, just wait. Don't have to like rush things.
Pero back to what I said, I think na-influence pud tag yun sa
Yeah.
marketing.
No,
Marketing na
the idea.
we usually parang gina-market man gud sa to ang idea of the romanticization of romance and
Correct. Dapat naki-partner.
romanticization of partnership, of coupleship, 'di ba? Movies, teleserye kailangan na kay
Right.
ka-relationship para mahimong happy ang imuhang life, para contented imuhang life. And labaw na siya karon na nag-usbong na ang social media na everybody's flexing their relationships na parang unta ingunana pud ko. So
Right.
ikaw as a person or as a young person who's still trying to figure out your place in the world na parang I think I should have someone because that's how confidence should be based on mag-anagan.
Right.
So I think it's going to be a never-ending cycle because ingunana gid siya eh. It's being instilled on us. Ingunana ang marketing eh.
But you know what I'm very hopeful about is that the narrative today is changing eh. Diba mas gina-celebrate na nato ang independence,
individuality,
and also mas nitaas na po ang standards when it comes to mas naging taas ang standards when it comes to relationship, or mas naging elaborate ang mga setups.
Correct.
Like let us not let's not forget na there are very varied ways for you to be not alone. Makita ko sa Twitter, makatawa ko kay kanang mga throuple na parang wow.
May pa sila
May pa sila na tigduduhan.
Nakita
Lipod mi oy.
Nakita na ang throuple pag kay after a few months lain na pud ilang ka throuple.
As in, it's actually amazing. Pero basi ra pud ka na nag-chip in sila ka nang buy sa boarding house. So, it
Gabi
makes
ng boarding
sense
house
economically.
Yeah. O bitaw pod.
Pero right now, ikaw Babs, like on most days, what are the things that you're most uncomfortable doing alone?
Wala na siguro. I did it all kay nag-start man gid ta sa parang need for someone to do things together, no? Nag-start man gid ta. And then by force of nature or forced by circumstances, you need to do alone. You need to do things alone like mukaon, tanawag sine because your friends are not available. Those were the times na you wish you had someone na mabira-bira, ana gani. Pero since nasanay na ko in doing things alone, parang I'm not sure I can think of anything. Ikaw?
Well, there is no activity that I'm not uncomfortable
like
doing
even
alone,
na pag magkasakit ko, I was used to tending for myself, taking care of myself.
Yeah, ako din. Recently, nagkamatagtikibay ako. I had like a big infection in my head. So I had to like do things on my own. I had to like bring myself to the ER. And
ikaw lang mag-isa.
Nakatawa po ako because the attendant said, okay, saan po yung pasyente?
Ako?
Nandito po ang pasyente.
So parang pag mabanggaan ka din ha, maligsan ka din ha, you can bring yourself.
Ako pa mag-grab, magkuhan at magdala sa kusukuhan.
I love it.
There's, it's nice to have someone with you, but life is not gonna stop happening just because you're alone. So what that is teaching me is to really be independent, to make sure that you have all of the resources to sustain you. When I say resources, as in emotional resources, right? Na parang di ka mababaliw na you're doing it alone. And over time, I like that nakikita ko that other people are more vocal in sharing their experiences doing things alone, whether it's traveling or it's watching the movie. It normalizes things. And it makes you feel na you're not alone in being alone.
Also,
being independent.
Actually, sa sobrang ako ka-single and doing things alone for the longest time, parang mas dili na ko sanay na ay someone with me. Kauban.
Right? Bitaw.
Maalibadbagan ako na kauban. Tapos parang if people are trying to help me, parang no, I can do it.
Di naman ganun. Pero sige, okay, valid din naman feelings mo. Really?
Niabot ako siguro na parang, you don't have to help me. I can do things alone. Mag-ana gani.
Pwede mag-podcast ka alone.
Sige, bye.
Okay.
Hello.
Kakabayo sa'yo.
Ako lang nagpagtawa sa akong sarili.
Love it. You're getting there. Parang nababaliw.
Oh, no, na ako na lang
Magsasalita
mag-isa.
mo,
Oh.
mag-isang nagsasalita.
So, wala
Love
na
it.
ko'y fear. So, I think we should ask the perspective of people who still are in that stage na
Mm.
hadlok pa sila na
Mhm.
alone. So, they
Mhm.
don't allow themselves to be vacated,
Correct.
especially with relationships.
Mm.
So, bisag date, no, kailangan, actually, dahon gyapon, no? I'm not sure with the younger generation, with the alphas now,
Mhm.
and the younger Gen Z, kung they still want to really have that relationship.
Right.
Kay, ano ba ya? We grew up in the hugot era ba ya?
Mhm.
Na
Mhm. Where like the movies are
the movies are
always
all,
portraying, 'di ba? Like
yeah,
companionship, relationship.
romanticizing pain,
Correct. Isa ka
romanticizing
doon sa
more
nag-romanticize
pain,
ng
more
pain.
art.
Love
Di ba?
it.
So, yung una siya, na parang, I think, kamo no, the younger generation are celebrating
Mm.
oneliness.
Loneliness. Correct.
Yes. Kay,
That's
atong una
valid.
manggod, we thought na pag oneliness ka, loneliness siya.
Right.
Karon dili na, no? Parang, napoy aspect pud bogs na parang, naa sila ginagawa na concept na, what if dili pa nimo ma-settle imong sarili, dapat dili sa ka magkuan. Di
That's
sa nimo
correct.
idamay ang
Yeah,
ubang
yeah.
tao. Kanang kailangan mag-settle sa kasi mo sa ba na sila gina-advocate na ingon ana na
Yeah na.
concept no na parang I need to be financially settled first before getting married or being in a relationship or daghan pa kay ko responsibilities
Correct.
sa akong family ana or parang I still have to find
Mhm.
myself. 'Di ba
Mhm.
pero atong una pag I still have to find myself so I need to have someone to find me.
Mm.
Mag-ana ang concept no
Right.
maglahi
Mm.
atong una na parang since dili ko settle, dili ko complete without someone. Kailangan I need someone to complete me. Murag ana.
Correct.
Karon
Things have changed.
parang things have changed no na parang I am not settled yet. So dili ko mandamay
Wait
og
muna.
uban. O wait
Oh.
muna.
Do you find that people are patient enough for that?
Depende pod sa I think siya personal siya na experience, experiential siya. Individual experience siya, I think.
Mhm.
Depende sa nakalakihan niyo na environment.
Kasi ako pinag-iisipan ko and I don't know the answer yet, but
Mm.
knowing a general impression is that people are generally more patient now these days. Although, syempre the convenience of like these dating apps are making others
Mm.
parang want to just dabble in that companionship partnership without so much purpose.
Tsaka some people find it a red flag if someone is so needy na
Diba?
parang dili siya mabuhi na wala relationship. Parang kung atong una, norm siya because of the hugot era,
Mhm.
karon mo red flag na siya.
Right. And I'm also really trying to express empathy when it comes to that. Kasi baka pala these people who are needy or always wanting to look for a partner, they have already gone through so much difficulties in life na
Aha.
they want to just breathe and be with someone to take care of them. So without necessarily being already stable financially, emotionally, physically, whatever, before jumping into it, they are just jumping into it as they are. And that's how they find a sense of stability na kung meron silang partner. So they
Okay.
become well, they become more emotionally resilient, mas
Pwede,
makaka-focus na sa work and finances nila. So
Correct.
there are different journeys and
Mm-mm.
although it is very dismissible and laughable at first na parang bakit needy ang isang tao, napapaisip lang din ako na parang, yeah, maybe pagod lang sila. And they kind of deserve for that treatment after everything that they've been through.
Okay. Pwede, oo.
Char. Deep lagi yun. Kung
As
gusto nyo, tumawag kayo sa akin. Hanapan
for more
for more
NBSB advice.
yes, and for and I'll help match you with someone.
So, kani siya, last point of discussion. What if, na parang sobrang sanay na kayo kang maging single and you are not afraid of being single anymore? And then all of a sudden, someone comes along and na panang nag-offer sa mo og relationship or partnership, what would you do or how would you react?
That's definitely going to be parang a wave of change
Oo.
that you will need to deal with, no?
Especially pag na-accept na naka sa acceptance period na, yes,
Settled na
dili
ka.
na ko,
Right.
settled na ko, dili na ko hadlok na mahimong single. And then somebody comes along.
Taka lang, dead air. Napaisip ako because siguro 2 weeks ago, my answer would be, that's gonna be so disorienting, and I'm going to be putting my heart in a vulnerable state. I risk getting hurt, and I risk changing everything that I've already fixed and set up. That's how I would respond. Pero 2 days ago, may nalearn lang ako something about change, that it is really a constant, that like there's no sense of permanence anywhere. Na parang eventually you will really need to deal with this change, whether in your relationship or state of being. And then after that, once you're settled, there's going to be another kind of change. So parang at this point in my life, I am learning to teach myself to adapt to whatever circumstance that is unfolding in front of me. So even though I know, say for example, that my heart will be more vulnerable to pain and hurt when someone comes my way, I am going to welcome it and to think about the idea that, you know what, there's surely something good is going to come out of this.
It also took a lot of process for you to go to that state where you can accept the fact na pag naay mo abot sa imuha, although wala nimo siya gihuna-huna before, na pag naay mo abot sa imuha, there's also a possibility na you will experience pain and separation. So parang ano siya, phase gid siya, no? Kailangan mahuman sa ka sa isa ka phase bago ka mag-jump into another phase na parang dapat kuan gid ang imong emotional stability na whatever. Kay dili man tanan maka-accept na parang okay, I'm now ready na pag naay mo abot, pwede na nako siya dawaton sa akong life. Because for now, ako personally, I'm not even sure if I am in that state of mind like you, na pag naay mo abot, I am willing to open myself up again.
Right. So, and how do you deal with that?
I just...
Nagkukulong ka na lang ba talaga?
Dili, kay wala naman ko sa phase na ginabase na ko ang self-confidence sa having a partner. Human naman ko ana. So, single na po ko for the longest time. Nahuman na naman po ko sa phase na mang-uyab lang ko, makipag-date lang ko just for the heck of it. Human na ako sa ingon na phase. So, nana ko sa phase karon na single forever. So, pag na mo abot, dili po ko sure. So, I'm not sure if kaya na ako ang imuhang perspective karon. So parang if you have that kind of maturity, I'm not sure if I am mature enough now to accept or open myself up in a relationship.
Well, that feeling is definitely valid, no? It's nice to be able to to identify these things and to be self-aware.
Yes, ako at least aware ko.
Nice one po, Babs, to like just be emotionally flexible about it.
Correct, oo.
Pero it takes a lot of effort din.
It takes a lot of effort.
Once you're settled na.
Kay, for example, okay na ka sa pagiging alone, sa mong pagiging single, or you don't even think about having a partner yet. Parang, pag naay mo abot na possible partner, parang magbalik na po ka sa step 1 of opening yourself up.
Right, correct.
So parang, cycle na siya another era of yourself na po. So
and aren't you like welcoming of that?
I am okay with the possibility. Pero wala pa man siya naabot. So I'm not sure if I can say na okay ko. Parang I'm okay ko, open ko. So pero as to the reaction that I will have once it comes, dili ko sure kung unsa ako mahimong reaction. Like how long will it take for me to open myself up na okay, yes, okay, pwede na ako sa relationship.
Right.
Okay, yes. Okay na ako for the longest time na single. So wala na ko fear, na-accept na ako, and dili na nag-revolve ako ang life around being single or na ako'y uyab.
Yeah, that's a really nice perspective.
And
Like,
I don't also want to hurt other people na.
correct. Kasi you like to hurt people, but yeah.
Yes, I
Correct.
know.
That's a nice perspective to be really firm in like the safe space that you're creating for yourself. Kasi ultimately that's the kung ano man pala, that's like an essence of a relationship, like really opening yourself up to love, to hurt, to many other feelings.
Correct. And wala na po ko sa point na mainggit ko sa mga couples. Sa parang, okay, couples mo, okay, fine.
Oh, pero gina-report mo lahat ng mga
Oh.
nagpa-flex sa TikTok.
Nagang mga couples, video sa TikTok. Ginasend ako kay Boga para just in case na ako mainggit ka, ani, ha.
crazy.
Pero dili na ka lagi nag-react sa mga
Hindi
couple
ako mainggit.
videos.
I'm actually really happy for them that things have changed and we get to openly talk about all of these relationships.
At yung una manggod kay mag-react siya, maglagot siya.
Yeah.
Ako po maglagot pug ko.
Na parang, bawal lang masasaya.
Oh my God, nag-mature ka na ba? O naglahi lang imuhang perspective
baka naglay
sa
lang
life?
perspective because today feels like so serene and we're in a very nice environment.
Greenhouse cinema.
Correct.
Oh.
But for real, na parang, it's part of growing up that we are able to like manage our emotions and reactions to things better, especially when we see other people. More happiness for them really than anything else. Kasi like mababait naman din kasi yung mga couple na nami-meet ko.
Tsaka subjective man pud good ang happiness.
Pinapasali nila ako. Tiyara!
Nag-threesome mo.
Uy, bad yan. Or some.
So nag-auban kag duha mo kabog single niya isa ka couple ana.
No, sorry, I can't share details about that anymore. No, natatawa na ako kasi there's a new bar in Davao City that I frequently go to. And then I see...
Dilagi ka nag-auban. Di ko nimo
let's
kinauban
talk
nga,
about
no?
it after. Bago gani ko nung adto dito, di ba?
Hoy, wala ko nimo gisultian.
After the off topic kasi hindi pa siya part ng sponsorship natin. Wow.
Oh.
So, ayun, I see a lot of couples who are happy and it's so funny pa nga kasi I bring a friend and then I introduce my friend to them and they're welcome.
Yeah, foursome na mo.
Sila lang muna, manonood lang. So there's that maganda na yung mga setup and like openness of the community. Although on the whole, we acknowledge that we have a long way to go when it comes to setting up an environment that allows same-sex couples to thrive in the country.
Tsaka regardless of gender preference or sexual preference, no, I think happiness is subjective good.
Correct.
Kay like ikaw kung happy ka maging alone forever, go. Kung happy ka nga kailangan na kaya in a relationship, o sige, go.
Correct.
Kay personal man gud ang journey.
Mm-hmm.
Dili siya imposed.
Right.
Dili siya pareho sa tanan.
Yeah, and the times are changing and our idea of happiness is really becoming more flexible now, and we have more diversity and ways to be happy, especially when it comes to setups of being single, being open, or being casually in partnership or companionship with someone. So there are many ways to go about it, and we have more reasons to be happy than to be sad, really.
Tsaka siguro for the younger generation, I think dapat lesser ang pressure. Kaya ang bagong peer pressure magud nila ang social media manggod. So I think it's a good part of growing pain manggod siya.
Mm-hmm.
Kaya kung dili pud nimo na siya ma-experience na ana na phase, dili ka moabot sa zen of being alone. Kailangan gini mo ma-experience tong insecurity nimo for nga single ka ug na kay need always to be in a relationship.
Right.
Dili ka mo abot sa
para
phase na
initiation, hazy.
Yes, moagi gyud kaana na phase gyud. Kung unsa man na age, dili siya kailangan on your 20s or your teenage years kung ani dapat mo ma-experience. Kanya-kanya magutag journey good. So napoy uban na mahimo silang emotionally stable pag nasa someone to share, 'di ba?
Right.
Parang nagiging stable lang sila pag nag-settle down sila with someone. Napoy uban dili sila naging emotionally stable because they settled down with someone. Di siya so settled up siya instead of settled down.
Last question before we end. What would Red look like now kung back then in 2014, he
Mhm.
was a serial dater, very needy, mamatay kapag walang jowa. Ngayon,
Oh my gosh.
what would his personality look like now?
Oh my God. I have written him differently sa sequel.
Mm-mm.
Kaya I have written like a skeletal sequence for the sequel na
Right.
parang unsa kay may tabo kay Red no silang upat
Mm-mm.
after 5 years
Right.
or after 10 years after 5 years. But that was then. Kabalo ka Bogs, I haven't thought about it. Now that 10 years has passed,
Mm-mm.
wala dili ko sure kung unsa na si Red
No,
karon.
what would like a serial dater look like in 10 years? So
Oh my God. I love it.
love
Thank you
it.
for opening the
Love
can of
it.
worms in my mind.
Where's the
Char.
worm? Shut up.
The
Well,
worm.
well, that's like something to think about, no? Not just like for Babs, but also for everyone. Na parang
Uh,
how mature or what kind of growth would a serial dater embrace
after 10
after 10 years?
years.
So feel free to like maybe share in the comments or like
I think I have to ask my serial
serial dater
dater friends
friends.
whom I based the concept or the character of Red
Right.
from. Na ako yung isa ka friend na serial dater pero he was in a long-term relationship. Tapos bago lang sila naghiwalay, I think a year ago or 2 years ago. Nagsettle siya sa relationship after being a serial dater.
Love that.
Tapos na-hurt siya kaya naghiwalay sila.
Oh.
So karon I'm not sure kung back to being a serial dater siya
Mhm.
karon. Pero back per karon feeling na ako dili na siya naga-base sa iyang confidence kung na siya relationship or wala.
Right.
Pero itong una serial dater yun siya.
Amazing, no?
Mm-mm.
Well, that's something to think
Nag-mature na
about.
pud siya.
No? And really good perspective to see how people can grow and how you too can also react to
Yes.
that kind of growth with the people around.
Oh, siguro pud ang fear pud nila karon sa mga 10 years ago or 5 years ago for people na na always hadlock na mahimong single. Depende po siguro kung unsa lang naagian for the past 5 years. Or pwede mang good sila na nag-mature na
Mm-hmm.
or pwede po na nag-degrade ang ilahang perspective. Or they would still stay the same.
Right. Wow.
Wow.
What a very heavy topic.
And thank you for that low energy. Nakip up
Diba?
niyo mo siya.
Mas nakaka-think ka kasi.
Nakip up niyo mo siya. I love
I know
it.
very consistent sa pagiging energy deficient.
I know.
Pero like
as
if
in.
we continue this kind of format, you will see that like we get to think more about what we are able to say without having to like open our legs in front of the camera, right?
Oh, wow.
Char.
Feeling din mo ato una, gi-open mo imong legs sa camera.
Oh, of course. All the time. Kasi dapat high energy.
Ah, really?
Oh, high energy na ba yun? Baka hindi pa.
Napugos ka?
Hindi, no. There's just a shift ba in the way that I'm thinking and I'm engaging in a conversation.
Wala pa man to na high energy.
Wala ka, no, jud ako energy din.
Napugos lang day ka ato.
No, it's a different kind of portrayal, different kind of performance.
Mm.
Labi mo ko napugos, uy. Char. Love it.
Napugos lang ka og kuan og energy ba?
No, kasi
pataas?
dapat may yung brief kasi natin before, 'di ba, was like we were parang trying to achieve a certain kind of energy with the first few episodes. Ganun naman 'yun.
Dili man depende ba pud gud sa topic. Alang magkuan ka hekya ang imong topic nga wala kay energy.
Oo, 'di ba? Mo gani. Okay, sige, tama po. I-match din.
Di ba?
Dahil po nakaluya kay kanya, sige mo joke.
Gani. Alam nga,
Ito.
yang imong topic kay kanang kamatayon, unya mag high energy
ka.
di ay ka. Oo.
So for today, match lang.
Oo, pero nag-request man jud ka nga dapat low energy
Hindi
lang
ako
nga dili pang
nag-request.
showtime.
Nagkuhan lang ko.
Kapag itbulaga lang.
Manage yung expectation. And look at this. we came up with such
Ganahan
a nice
ka maingon ani ng mga
conversation.
conversations
Oh,
na
na parang
bright bright.
chill. Yun na, ha?
Bright
Hindi na chill lang. Sabi ko, bright. Wala naman bright sinabi ko.
Hoy, dili day chill lang ato ang ano.
Hindi siya
Topic sa tuuna.
chill, and then there's high performance.
Unsa man yung high performance di
Yung
ay?
first episode, yung mga kanal masyado na.
Hekya man to.
Oo, kailangan ako i-channel akong pagka horny bitch. to be able to achieve that.
I love it.
Love it.
So, Motusha, thank you for your low energy, chill energy, and for allowing yourself na mapugos ka and
Correct. Pugos
in
na,
having a
sige na lang.
duo.
Charot.
On.
But thank you also, of course, to the Greenhouse, Bagani Fiola, for
Thank you,
this
Bugs
very
and
serene.
Melons.
Hindi naman siguro low energy kasi serene and calm. Ganun siguro.
Mm-mm. And I like this place.
Yeah,
na Davita
parang
nag-shoot,
garden,
no?
parang nasa bahay ka lang.
Yeah, I love.
Well.
So if you have time, go to the Greenhouse Cinema IG. IG lang yata sila.
Yeah.
And gulang man gud si Bugs no.
Yeah,
Dili siya naga-TikTok.
And we'll tag them in the description.
Come here and have a good time. If there are screenings kay dili ba ya ano.
Right.
Dili ba premium screenings.
Yeah.
And Bugsy and I will be having workshops pala, filmmaking workshops soon. We will announce it.
Love it. I'm so excited for that. So
Yeah.
if you're into film, vlogging, or storytelling, be sure to sign up.
And this has been, kay after 3 months na pud mi magka-episode because of Jesse Boga and
hindi.
his unwillingness to shoot episodes. Maunang dili ay mi magkaroon ng episode. Nga ako lang pa mi nag-adjust because I am the better and good person.
Correct.
And
Yes,
si
I'm the
Boga-
bad person.
Boga is the bad person, the person who is always
The
the cause of
diva and the
delay, the
late.
diva, the late, the aviat,
Of course.
and the one who always chooses the conditions, Ana, and ako ang pwede nga nag-adjust. So this has
Make me look like I'm
been
terrible.
this has been the better person, Bebs,
And this is the not better person, Jessie.
the low energy person.
Correct. Thank you for listening to this episode of The Inner Show.
With
Please.
Bebs and Jessie.
Correct.
Thank you so much.
Please share your comments. Sagutin niyo yung mga question namin, ha?
Oh, kung naay maminaw.
Meron.
Na kay mga fans.
Yeah.
Kinsa? Si Ange
Ikaw.
Estrella. Hoy, Ange. Wala na mo gina-promote ang among ano ba?
Correct.
As in,
Promote nyo naman.
I know. From 1 million subscribers and listeners to 5 million. dapat.
Correct.
I
Thank you
love
for listening.
it.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Greenhouse Cinemas. Bye. And stay single and happy forever. And I wish ang uban mga tao dili maging happy.
Correct. Char.
Oo, dapat kami lang ang
Dapat
maging
sel
happy.
kami lang. Joke.
Ganahan ka?
Love it. Yeah. Ipag-clap na.
Ay, mag-clap na. Bye! Di na kailangan mag-clap. Uy,
Para
kay nasync
mo
naman.
pa rin.
Nasync
Okay.
naman na siya sa beginning.
it.
I love it.
Hotcake ka ay.
As in,
Mag-process.
uy, ang atong topic ba? Kano sa to siya na hunahunaan?
Which one? Kini? Like 5 seconds ago.
Oh my God, I love
Such a
it. You're so
genius.
spontaneous.
I know.